Did you know you can remove pimples with an anti-diarrhea medicine? And did you know we have a revolutionary method to get rid of yellow teeth? Hey Muse fam! Stay tuned, because today we're going to reveal 15 easy beauty hacks and makeup tricks you should know. And keep watching until number 1, because that trick will blow you away and save you a lot of pain. Before moving any further, did you know that by watching our videos and subscribing to our channel, you could win $100? Yeah, let me repeat that. $100. You heard it right, Muse family. Watch out for our upcoming video this Wednesday, how to win $100 weekly, to learn more about our giveaway. Keep in mind that in order to join, you must subscribe to our channel. Easy peasy, right? So, are you guys ready for our 15th beauty hack? You better be, because we are getting started. Number 15. Removing pimples. You probably have tried almost all the products available in the market just to get rid of those pimples, and until today, you fail over and over again. Here, we will be showing you 2 important procedures that can ease your pimples by using your resources at home. First, prepare eye drops and a cotton swab. Apply a few drops on a cotton swab and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then apply the swab to the pimple. This remedy will make the pimple smaller and it relaxes your face from all the swelling. Our second procedure involves a medicine that is commonly used when you're having diarrhea: bismuth subsalicylate, or Pepto-Bismol. Crazy, right? An anti-diarrhea medicine helps to reduce pimples. This medicine can also make a large difference in your skin. Just apply the bismuth on your face using a clean makeup brush, then wash it away. This method will remove redness and make your skin look more realistic. Goodbye, pimples! You can finally say hello to radiant, flawless skin. If you think this beauty tip is what you've been looking for, wait till we get to number 1. Number 14. Plump Lips. The plump lips we crave to have doesn't necessarily have to be the poutiest of all. We just wish to have fresh and attractive lips, which show the confidence in us, especially when it's our turn to do the talking. For this home procedure, all you need are 1/3 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, and 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. Just mix all ingredients and apply the mixture on your lips. Massage for 30 seconds. You will love this little massage, Muse fam. Then leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it away. Now the plump lips you've been dying to have are ready to be shown off. Mwah! Number 13. Underarm Whitening. Dark underarms make women avoid going out in public wearing sleeveless dresses or tops. You don't have to throw all those clothes away, because in this video, we got an easy solution for this problem. This beauty idea involves no dermatologist or expensive whitening. You just need a lemon and baking soda. Easy, right? You just have to cut the lemon into 4 and squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. Add baking soda and mix. Apply the mixture on your underarms and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. For the best results, apply this mask consistently before bedtime. You can now finally wear those tops. Number 12. Smooth skin. No need to go to the spa or any of those branded lotions, because in this 12th beauty idea we have for you, all you need are nothing but brown sugar, olive oil, and raw oat flakes. Take a cup of each ingredient, mix them all together in a bowl, and apply your scrub on dry skin in circular motions. Then wash the mixture away and yes, enjoy the smooth skin that needs no spending. Number 11. Younger looking skin. It is a beautiful thing, a wonderful blessing to age. Younger looking skin actually means keeping that radiant glow that we want to keep as years passes by. This beauty idea is a natural spot remover that includes a whitening effect. You'll be needing a 1/4 glass of cooked rice, a 1/2 tablespoon of agave nectar, a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, and that is all. Mix all ingredients in a blender and apply it smoothly on your skin, especially on your hands, and in 1 to 2 minutes, you wash the mask with warm water. This mixture can also be used on your face to achieve that moisturized and healthy look. If your skin is very sensitive, replace the lemon juice with water. Stay organic, folks! Number 10. Smooth feet. We may be spending our lives wearing shoes and high heels to work, and because of that, we can't avoid sweating and having calluses, that thickened part of our foot that has been subjected to friction. For this beauty idea, we'll be showing you a foot soak. It'll soothe your feet and make your skin feel smoother, providing the moisture it needs. Prepare 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of Epsom salt. This salt will serve as the healing agent and pain reliever. Lastly, Add 25 drops of peppermint essential oil. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and mix them with warm water. Soak and relax your feet in the bowl for approximately 15 minutes. Get ready for that revitalized foot you've been dying for. Number 9. Toning massage. With all the hectic and productive days, we often neglect the fact that we need a body massage. Forget about going to the spa, because in this beauty hack, all you need is a tennis ball and an exercise mat. Roll out your entire body with a tennis ball. Focus on that body part that you'd like to massage. Place the ball on a mat and lay down with the ball nestled right by your shoulder, back, or any part of the body. You can do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime. This will surely make a difference by giving you a better sleep. And that's all that we need, don't you think? Number 8. Great eyebrows. The fatty acids that make up castor oil are proven to be extremely nourishing to the skin. It has helped people grow longer and thicker lashes and eyebrows. You can use it instead of the eyebrow tattooing that's getting less popular today because it's expensive and painful. Pour a few drops of the oil in a cotton pad and apply it to your eyebrows. Massage each eyebrow with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes and remove the oil with a makeup remover. The only way to achieve effective results is to use it every night religiously. It takes about 3 months to notice a significant change, but it's all worth it, I promise. You really don't want to miss out on the rest of the video, so stay still for more beauty ideas. Please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more beauty hacks and tips. Number 7. Cleaner nails. With the pandemic that's been going on, going to the salon and getting your nails done can be a little risky. So our question is, how can we do our nails while staying home? For this hack, you only need a capsule of vitamin E, a tablespoon of olive oil, and yes, a wooden stick. Just mix all ingredients and soak your fingers in the mixture for about 10 minutes. Use the wooden stick to push back the cuticles on your fingers. Voila! You now have fresh and cleaner nails without all the hassle. You just save yourself money, Muse fam. And look at your pretty nails. Number 6. Wider neck, elbows, and knees. We might fail to notice those dark spots on our neck, knees, and elbows, but they are there. They're waiting for some attention and love. These dark spots are the effects of a dry skin that needs moisturizing and rejuvenation. To take care of your skin, you only need a few ingredients that you can find in the kitchen. A tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of honey, 1 egg white, and a half teaspoon of olive oil. Just mix those ingredients mentioned and apply the mixture on the dark areas and let it stay for 30 minutes. Just remove it with warm water. Apply consistently and within a week, you can surely see the improvements. I'm curious about your results. Please share them in the comment section below. Number 5. Body and face detox. You already probably know that your body needs a detox from time to time, but due to our busy days, we often neglect and set aside our skincare routine. But this beauty idea we'll be showing you is something you can prepare easily at home. Prepare half of a grapefruit, a few drops of olive oil, and a half cup of coffee grounds. Cut the grapefruit into 2, drizzle olive oil on the cut sides of the grapefruit, and dip it into the coffee grounds. Massage your skin in circular motions. Just add more olive oil and coffee grounds as needed. This mixture can also be used as a detox face scrub. Also, if you want to know more beauty DIYs, you can check out our other video, surprising 3-minute beauty recipes you need to try. Trust me, you're gonna love them. Number 4. Beautiful nails. If you've been painting your nails consistently, it is expected to see some yellow spots. These yellow spots on our nails look unpleasant and they worry us. But it's really easy and fun to make them look nicer and cleaner again. All necessary ingredients are waiting for you in your bathroom. You'll need toothpaste and an old toothbrush. All you gotta do is apply the toothpaste on a brush and polish your nails for a few minutes. After this procedure, the stains will disappear. We're just as surprised as you are. Number 3. Volumized hair. Don't we all want volumized hair without abusing our scalp with all the unsafe treatments that are out there? We might be enjoying the results within a few weeks, but after that, the damage is as obvious as it can be. It is indeed a challenge to get full and volumized hair and maintain a healthy hair at the same time. I think all girls know the struggle. Right here, we'll be showing you the easiest and cheapest home remedy for the volumized hair that you've been looking for. You'll need a comb and a clean toothbrush. Part your hair and tease your roots with a toothbrush. The bristles are so soft that they allow you to retain more control than you'd be able to with a regular toothbrush. Easy, don't you think? Your hair will thank you. Also, if you want to know more hair hacks, you can check out our other video to know more hairstyles that we're sure you'd die to try. Number 2. White teeth. Stop being ashamed of your smile. The world needs more smiling people. But why visit a dentist when you can prepare a homemade remedy on your own using nothing but organic products? Get 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Make a paste out of these ingredients. Apply the mixture on a toothbrush and clean your teeth as usual. For better results, leave the paste on your teeth for 5 minutes before you rinse your mouth. Use this remedy a couple of times per day for faster results. Now, go show off your beautiful smile to the world, Muse fam! It sounds cringy, but it's true. If you smile at the world smiles back at you. Before we get to number 1, don't miss that subscribe button to be notified for more awesome beauty ideas. Number 1. Homemade Headache Relief Balm. Are you fed up with painkillers but a headache leaves you no choice? Try to make this balm. This can be a little tricky, but as soon as you've gathered all the necessary ingredients, you don't need to go to the pharmacy and spend money for that rub you've been using for years. You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of almond oil or jojoba oil, 8 drops of frankincense essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, 6 drops of spearmint essential oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, 8 drops of basil essential oil, 3 tablespoons of beeswax, a bowl, and balm jars. Melt the coconut oil in a double boiler. Set it over medium-high heat. Add the top half of your double boiler and put your coconut oil in the pan. It takes a few minutes to start melting, but once you hear the water getting too close to boiling, turn it down to low. Once your coconut oil turns to liquid, mix in all of your essential oils. Pour evenly into the glass containers and let them sit at room temperature to set. This usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Apply the balm on your temples, forehead, or another area where you experience pain. You can share this procedure with your family and friends, or you can also make a small business out of it. Make that money, folks! Bonus tip. To tighten up the pores and get a clean face, you can use lemon and other citrus fruits. Lemons are acidic and contain powerful skin lightening acids. For more beautiful and healthy effects internally and externally, always choose organic. Go and see these lovely and natural effects for yourself. So, that's it, folks! 15 beauty ideas that can surely maximize the creative in you. These hacks will come in handy to all of you out there, regardless of your occupied and busy days. Do this anytime and anywhere you like. Which among these beauty ideas do you want to try first? Comment your thoughts because we would love to hear from you. Muse fam, don't forget to watch our video this Wednesday called How to Win $100 Weekly to learn more about our giveaway. You never know, you might be our first lucky winner. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the other videos we have. And yes, if you'd like to hear more from us, make sure to subscribe and get notified. See you next time, Muse fam. Bye!